Hi, and welcome to Music 100, Spring 2021. My name is Mari Mizutani, and I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through our page here on Canvas. First and foremost, read the module right here that says Week 0, Start Here. Underneath this module, I have incorporated a lot of important information that pertains to this class. If you start with Read Me First, it gives you all the information as to what kind of textbook to get, and you will need a textbook for this class. It is required. And how you can communicate with me. And if you just kind of plug through on that module, you'll find a lot of information about what to expect during this class. Please note that this is a late start class, so our semester is actually considerably shorter than the traditional semester. There will be no instruction for the week of spring break, so this is actually a 14-week class that's normally an 18-week class. So we will be going through material pretty quickly, and it's really up to you to keep up with the reading. I will be posting all announcements here on the announcement tab. In fact, if you click on it now, I've already made our first announcement. And if you click on the announcement, it kind of it'll show you what the announcement is. So please do check the announcement tab often. If you haven't already done so, make sure you are checking your Valley email regularly. You'll be getting notifications from Canvas to your Valley email. So it's very important that you're checking often. I do make announcements quite often, but I also expect you to kind of keep up with the important dates and upcoming exam times. Don't hesitate to message me through the Inbox app here on Canvas. That's the easiest way. That's the most efficient way to get a hold of me. And you could just message me. I check my email often. I check it all day. So, whatever question you might have, please do keep in touch with me. That said, I'm really excited to get to know you this semester and to dive into this class with you. It's a really fun class. There's a lot of discussions that we do, and we cover a lot of gamut in terms of music. So I'm really excited, and I'm looking forward to it. Thanks a lot.